Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok bugs or problems of TikTok as you see. To know how to fix or how to solve the problems or bugs of TikTok, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list you will search about the application of TikTok and you will enter. Here on this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn off your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.